Good morning, students. Today is your English turn. So, in English class, we will learn the use of a and an. Now, what are a and n are called? A and n are called the articles. The word a and are called the articles. Now, a is used before the consonants. First of all, I have told you before also कि what are consonants? Consonants are those, except the vowels, all the alphabets in English letters are called the consonants. So there are 21 consonants in English alphabet, okay? And what are vowels? There are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. So A is used before the consonant and an is used before the vowel. Clear हो गया? Yes. Now I'll give you an example so that you can understand it easily, okay? For example, dash umbrella. Now first of all, you have to use here a and an. Umbrella में what you have to do is you have to look the first letter of the word. First letter of the word is umbrella का first letter क्या है? U. So U is a vowel. So what you will write in the blank here? An umbrella, okay? Now second example is dash book. Now again you have to see the first letter. So first letter is B. So B is not a vowel, so that means it is a consonant. So I've told you that A is used before the consonant. So हमेशा हमको consonant से पहले क्या use करना होता है? A use करना होता है. Like a book. Okay. Now dash star. अब now you have to see it again. Star का first word क्या है? First letter is S. So S is not a vowel. So we will use here a star. Okay. Now dash egg. अब egg का first letter is E. So E is a vowel. So we will use here an egg. Okay. अब clear हो गया? So what are the articles? What are the articles? The word a and an are called articles. So today we will learn the use of a and an. Okay. Now I will explain you further in the copy. Students, we will do this chapter in copy. Okay. So take out your copy, everyone. Write today's date. Today's date is 3/5/21. Classwork and chapter कौन सा हमारा? Use of a and an. Now I have told you कि a is used with consonants. मैंने भी आपको बताया था ना, a is used with consonants and an is used with vowels. Okay. So इसी के बेस पे what are a and n are called? So what are the articles? अब इसी के चैप्टर का हम एक क्वेश्चन बना रहे हैं कि what are the articles? So the word a and an are called articles. अब मैंने बताया था ना आपको articles किसको कहते हैं? जो a और an के word होते हैं उसको हम articles बोलते हैं. For example, bat. अब देखो यहाँ पे मैंने सब जगह अंडरलाइन किया है. फर्स्ट लेटर में मैंने अंडरलाइन किया हुआ है ना, तो B इज नॉट अ वोवल, तो इसीलिए वी यूज A ओवर हियर बिकॉज B इज अ कॉन्सोनेंट. सो बिफोर कॉन्सोनेंट व्हाट वी यूज A. एन एप्पल. सो एप्पल का A इज अ वोवल, फर्स्ट लेटर वोवल है, सो वी यूज एन बिफोर एन एप्पल. एंड आउल. अब देखो आउल का O इज अ वोवल, सो वोवल से पहले मैंने आपको बताया था ना, बिफोर द वोवल वी यूज एन. ओके. सो एन आउल. ए hen. So अब hen का first letter is H. So before the consonants we use A over here. ठीक है. अब now we will do the exercise in the next page. Again put the date, classwork. Now fill in the blanks with the use of a and an. अब यहाँ पे आपको एक एक्सरसाइज दे रही हूँ मैं, and I have put a blank over here. उसमें आपको a और an का यूज करना है. ठीक है. Where a will come and where an will come. Okay. Now first is dash book. अब now look here, the first letter B. So B is a consonant. B is not a vowel, so B is a consonant. So before the consonant what we use? A. So I am writing here a book. देख रहे हैं सबको क्लियर अच्छे से? Now second is dash aunt. Again first see the first letter. So A. A is the first letter of the word aunt. So A क्या होता है? Vowel होता है ना? So before the vowel what we use? An. So blank में क्या हम लिखेंगे? An aunt. Dash ice cream. Again see the first word I. So I is a vowel. So I will write here An. So an ice cream. Dash star. Now see the first letter S. So S is a consonant. So before a consonant what we use? A. So star. Dash umbrella. Now see U. क्या होता है? U is an vowel. So before vowel क्या आएगा? Till an umbrella. Okay. Now dash jug. Again see the first letter J. So J is a consonant. So we write here jug. Dash fish. Again see the first word. First letter. Not word, letter. Letter means single alphabet. So F. F is a consonant. So we write here fish. Dash fox. Again see the first letter F. So F is a consonant again. So we write here a fox. Okay, so this is the exercise you will write in your copy. Now today I'll recite. Today students we will learn a new poem. The poem is I am special. So I am going to recite a poem with actions. Now you will learn this poem at 12. Okay. I am special. I am special. Yes, I know that is true. No one looks the way I look. No one walks the way I walk. No one plays the way I play. No one says the way I say. So much fun, so much glee. I am glad to be me. Okay, now this poem you will learn at home. Okay.